Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to turn any photo into a giant in the city using Pippit AI. So Pippit AI is an AI-powered platform that will let you to create any AI creative content like maybe AI creative images, AI talking photo, AI designs, avatar video, and many more. And then in here, we will use this tool to create a creative AI image, the giant in the city. And if you want to try this tool, you can just click the link in the descriptions or pin comment to access this tool. And okay, let's get started. First, just open Pippit AI, and then after that, just go to more, choose Image Studio, choose AI Designs, and then next, just upload the photo that you want to use, that you want to transform like this, and then next, just write your prompt. Before I already prepared my prompt like this. If you want to copy my prompt, just feel free to copy it, and if you want to create your own prompt, just create it as you like. And then after that, just choose your AI model in here, and then just choose your ratio, and then click submit, and wait for the process. And okay, let's just take a look for the results. Okay, like this. Okay, like this, you can see it. Your photo becomes an epic giant in the city like this. I think the results pretty good. It's look cinematic like this. And okay, maybe that's it. Next, you can just try it with your own photo and then just take a look for your results. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.